All right, so good day, everyone. Today, we will explore how raw information is transformed into meaningful insights and how trust is built in the digital system. Our focus will be on two powerful concepts, that's the data analytics and blockchain technology. So, both of which are shaping how decisions are made in the modern world. So these are learning objectives for today. It is to understand what data analytics mean in real life terms, explain the steps in analyzing data, identify how these are applied in the Philippines, recognize ethical issues in handling data, and understand how blockchain ensures security and then trust. So these are our goals for today's discussion. So I want you to imagine cooking. Before you create a dish, you start with raw ingredients. So in the same way, data is like raw ingredients. It doesn't mean much until we process it. So data analytics is the process of transforming these raw inputs into useful information that helps us make decisions. So, for the foundations of analytics, what is data? Data includes facts, numbers, or observations. And what is analytics? Think of it like a detective. So, you gather clues, identify patterns, and turn messy information into meaningful insights or stories. So without analysis, data is just noise. And with analysis, it becomes knowledge. So, what are the processes? We will break down how data is actually analyzed step by step. So, of course, the starting point is the collection. This is when gathering raw, the raw data. Then we have the cleansing, which is the removing error of inconsistencies, the modeling, identifying patterns or relationship, visualizing. This is when you present the data through charts or graphs. And of course, lastly is the decision making. This is using insights to guide actions. So this process ensures that decisions are not based on guessing, but on evidence. So the local application, let let's make it more relatable in the Philippine context. So in business, platforms like Shopee and Grab analyze user behavior. In healthcare, the DOH uses data to track disease outbreaks, and in government, Pag-asa uses data for disaster response and planning. So data analytics is already part of our lives or our daily lives, even if we don't always notice it. Now, what are the ethical consideration? As they say, with great data comes great responsibility. So there are key ethical issues we must consider. Number one, of course, is the privacy. So this one is protecting personal data. Another is bias. This is avoiding unfair or discriminatory result. Security, that is preventing data branches, and literacy, being critical or data sources. So just because data is available doesn't mean it should be used carelessly. Okay, let's go now to the blockchain. So, as we understand how data is used, the next question is how do we ensure that data is secure and trustworthy? This is where blockchain technology comes in. It is a system designed to build trust in the digital environment. The core blockchain principles, um, we need to understand that blockchain works based on three main principles. One, decentralized. This is It means no single authority controls it. Distributed, everyone has a copy of the data, and immutable. Once recorded, data cannot easily be changed. So this makes blockchain highly secure and transparent. So, beyond the cryptocurrency, most people associate blockchain with crypto currency, but its application go beyond that. It actually be useful for remittances, so faster and cheaper money transfer. The supply chains that is tracking products from farms to consumers, and digital IDs that is securing records like academic credentials. So these applications are especially useful in the Philippine setting. So, however, blockchain is not perfect. So there are challenges such as scalability issues, high energy consumption, and the need for specialized skills like cryptography. So for the Philippines to fully benefit, we must address these limitations and invest in education and innovation. Okay, so to summarize, data analytics helps us make informed decisions. Blockchain help us build trust in digital system. So together, they are shaping the future of technology, governance, and society. So thank you for listening. For any questions, you can send me a direct message, and I'll see you. Goodbye.